How to fix Minecraft connection lost, internal exception, java.net.socket timeout exception. First step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Minecraft launcher and Java. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Java. Bin. You get the application. Like this you need to add the Minecraft launcher also. Click add in the bottom side and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Come to next step. Click settings. Click app settings. Click install app. Scroll down and search for Minecraft launcher. Click the three dot icon. Click advanced option. Scroll down. Undo reset. Click repair. Once the repair complete after, click reset. Close it. Next step. Search for control panel. Click it. Click program option. Click Java. Click it. A pop-up will appear. Click update and click update now. Click OK. Using this method you can update the Java. And the next method, search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrator and type the following text: ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter. The next command, ipconfig space /release. Click enter. Next command, ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. Next command, netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. At last exit it. Next step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.